Welcome back to my channel, guys. I hope all of you are safe, healthy and having a great day. Thank you for taking out time to watch my video, and I hope all of you enjoy watching it as much as I enjoyed making it. If you liked it, or if you're a new subscriber, drop a little heart in the comment section so that I can thank you personally. And without wasting any more time, let's start. I'll start off with a few styles with the basic white shirt because I can swear on anything each one of you have one lying in your closet. For the first look, wear a black t-shirt, preferably a round neck one on your white shirt. Pull out the sleeves neatly from below the tee and fold it over so that the cuffs are visible. Add a matching bracelet, wear the highest heel that you own, and you're ready with a completely new outfit that you didn't even know you owned. For the next look, pick a contrasting shirt, button them together in the front and at the back. Take the remaining pair of sleeves from behind, cross them over to bring it to the front and pin them neatly. Use a high-waisted jeans or a skirt for this look and tuck everything that is visible from below the waistband you just created. I'll add my favorite hoop earrings, my pump heels and a clutch to complete the look. This is one of my favorite looks in the entire video, mostly because of the effortless vibe that it creates. The next look is for all the bohemian lovers out there. Wear any strapless top, a tube top or a bandeau bra cause it's going to be hidden anyways. Pick any colorful dupatta or a scarf and tuck it in your top, pleating and tucking it inside. This creates some beautiful ruffles at the top and a balloon-like finishing at the bottom. Then throw on your white shirt on it. I'm wearing my black palazzo pants, add some accessories, a pretty sling bag and it's done. I'll finally put on my kolhapuris to match the entire theme, and here's a super simple new outfit from your basics. Okay, next, pick one of those party dresses that you're not able to wear so often and just sits there in your closet waiting for the right occasion, and wear it on your shirt. This might not necessarily be a white shirt, but it's obviously the safest choice. I'm wearing these big earrings to pump the look up a bit, added my boots and a red contrasting clutch. You can tone down the look as a formal outfit or pump it up as a party wear. I'll continue with the same set here and bring the dress down as a skirt. Make sure it is tucked in properly till the end and the crease is not visible down below. Wear a bralette on the shirt, and here you have another look ready in less than a minute. You can keep the boots on, but I preferred it with my pink pump heels, and complete the look with a bag. This looks classy, trendy, minimal and not overdone. For the next few looks, I'll show how you can style your old kurtas. For the first look, I'll use this beautiful chikankari kurta. I've literally worn this so much I don't even wear it anymore, nor can I give it up. Anyways, for this look, I've worn my denim shorts inside. So I'll add a belt here and start tucking the kurta from inside the belt. Make sure you do this neatly, and you might need to add some pleats because kurtas have a larger gather at the bottom. So yeah, once you're done, you have a completely new dress. I kind of think this looks like one of those beach wears now, so I'll continue styling this as a beach wear only. So I added this black pendant, my black bracelet that you saw before, my kolhapuris again and this golden sling bag. Remember the time when these short kurtis were so much in trend? I have a bunch of these in my closet, but since they're out of fashion now, there's hardly much I can do with them. So here's a quick look to style these. What you need to do is basically tuck them under your bra. I'm wearing my sports bra here so that they're big and tight enough to hold on to the kurta. Tuck the rest of the fabric from inside again on your bra the way I'm showing here. Crumple the folds a bit. See, these look like ruffles and you've successfully created a peplum top with a kurti. I paired this look with all my junk jewelry that I had, my silver earrings, my silver bangles, and I always prefer wearing stilettos with long skirts or lehengas. There's no reason as such, I've just always worn it that way, or actually probably because I wear them only on some functions or festivals, so high heels are a must. You might have seen me wearing this off-shoulder crop top previously in some videos. It kind of gets intimidating to wear crop tops or off-shoulder tops on regular days, so you can wear it on any t-shirt. This way you can tone down the look a bit and it makes you more comfortable. I'm wearing my pop-up jeans with this top and a matching cap to complete the look. With the same top, you can also take the sleeves off and tie them from below neatly. Even better if you can make a pretty bow with it, and here's one more way to style your basics. You can pick one of your ethnic jackets or those gaudy cholis and wear them on a plain t-shirt or even a shirt for that matter. You can leave it this way or crop it up. I'm wearing my ear cuffs for this look. I'm literally taking these out after ages now. Add some heels, a bag, all of the confidence that you have, and you're done. For the next look, wear any long or short dress with turtleneck or with one of those Chinese collars. Wear a contrasting off-shoulder top on it and bring the sleeves down. This makes it a cold shoulder top and totally transforms both the outfits. I paired these with my block heels. This look is for one of those Sunday brunch or shopping days, and if you can choose your colors correctly, it can totally set you apart from the crowd. For the last one, pick any dupatta that can match your top. Fold it in half and start pleating it on your shorts or tights. What I'm basically trying to do here is create a cute pleated skirt. This is again for one of those daytime shopping days, so I wore my pink sneakers and matched it with my pink backpack. That's it for today, guys. Let me know in the comments down below which look did you like the most. Thank you for watching it till the end. Stay safe and I'll be back next week with another video. Bye bye.